Hello, is this the plumbing service?
Yes, it is. My name is Mark.
Hello, Mark. I am Kate.
How can I help you today, Kate?
I have a big problem on my kitchen.
Is there water on the floor?
Yes, there is a lot of water.
Is the water coming from the sink?
Yes, it is under the sink.
Can you turn off the water now?
I do not know how to do that.
Look for a small red handle under the sink.
I see it now. Should I turn it?
Yes, turn it to the right.
Okay, the water stopped. Thank you, Mark.
That is very good. Where do you live?
I live on Apple Street, number 10.
That is very close to my office.
Can you come to my house now?
I can be there in 20 minutes.
That is great. I am very worried.
Do not worry, Kate. I can fix it.
Do you have all your tools?
Yes, I have everything in my truck.
How much is the visit?
The visit is $50.
That is fine. Please come quickly.
I'm leaving my office now.
See you soon, Mark.
See you soon. Goodbye.
Hello. You are very fast.
Hello, Kate. I am here to help.
Please, come into the kitchen.
Thank you. It is a very nice house.
Thank you, but the kitchen is wet.
I see the water on the floor.
I used many towels to clean it.
You did a good job. It is not too bad.
I'm happy to hear that.
Let me put my toolbox here.
Is it very heavy?
Yes, it has many metal tools inside.
Do you need some light?
Yes, a flashlight is very helpful.
I have a small one here.
This is perfect. Thank you, Kate.
Should I move these bottles?
Yes, please move the soap and sponges.
The space is very small.
It is okay. I am used to small spaces.
Is it a difficult job?
I need to look at the pipes first.
I hope the pipes are not broken.
New pipes are very strong.
My house is quite old,
Old houses have beautiful kitchens.
but they have old plumbing too.
That is true. I see the problem now.
Is it a big hole?
No, it is just a small part.
Can you hold the flashlight here?
Yes, I am holding it. Is this good?
Yes, I can see the pipe very well.
It looks very wet and dirty.
I am using my wrench now.
That is a very big tool.
It helps me to turn the pipe.
Be careful, there is some water.
I have a small bucket for the water.
That is a very smart idea.
I am removing the old pipe now.
Is the pipe very old?
Yes, it is maybe 10 years old.
10 years is a long time for a pipe.
Water can damage metal over time.
I see some black dirt inside.
That is normal. It is just old food.
That is a bit gross.
It is my daily job.
You are a very brave man, Mark.
I like to fix things for people.
Do you fix showers too?
Yes, I fix showers and toilets.
My shower is fine for now.
That is good news. One problem is enough.
I'm getting a bit tired.
You can sit on that chair.
No, I want to see how you work.
I am almost finished with the check.
What is the next step?
Look at this small black ring.
It looks very thin and broken.
This is the problem. It is a rubber seal.
One small ring caused all that water?
Yes, it is a very important part.
Can you replace it with a new one?
Yes, I have many rings in my box.
Are they expensive?
No, they are very cheap.
That is a big relief.
The work is more expensive than the part.
I understand. You have the skill.
It takes time to learn these things.
How many years did you study?
I studied for 3 years at college.
You are a real professional.
Thank you. I try to be the best.
I will tell my neighbors about you.
That is very kind. Word of mouth is good.
Do you have a business card?
Yes, it is in my pocket.
I will put it on my fridge.
Now I am cleaning the pipe.
Why are you cleaning it?
The new ring needs a clean surface.
That makes a lot of sense.
I am using a small brush.
The pipe looks like new now.
Almost. Now I will put the ring.
I'm watching you closely.
Now I am putting the white tape.
What is that tape for?
It helps to stop any small leaks.
It looks like very thin paper.
It is special tape for plumbing.
Can I help you with anything?
Can you hold this pipe for a moment?
Like this? It is very cold.
Yes, just like that. Thank you, Kate.
I'm a plumber's assistant now.
You're doing a great job.
I am learning many new things today.
Now I am tightening the nut.
Is it tight enough now?
Yes, it must be very firm.
Should we turn on the water now?
Yes, let's test the sink.
I am turning the red handle.
Open the faucet slowly, please.
The water is running. Is it leaking?
No, it is dry. Look under the sink.
I see no water. It is perfect.
I am very happy. The repair is a success.
You are a magician, Mark.
No, I'm just a plumber with experience.
I am so happy the floor is dry.
I will put my tools away now.
I will make some tea for us.
That sounds lovely. I love tea.
Please sit at the table. Here is your tea, Mark.
Thank you. It is very hot and nice.
Do you want some sugar?
No, thank you. I like it plain.
So, what is the total price?
It is $60, $50 for the visit and $10 for the part.
That is a very fair price.
I am glad you think so.
Can I pay with my credit card?
Yes, I have a machine here.
I am inserting my card now.
Please enter your code.
It is done. The machine is printing.
Here is your receipt, Kate.
Thank you. I will keep it in my drawer.
You have a 1-year warranty on my work.
That is very good to know.
If there is a problem, call me immediately.
I hope there are no more problems.
I think the pipe is very strong now.
Thank you for your hard work today.
You are welcome. It was nice to meet you.
It was nice to meet you too, Mark.
I must go to my next client now.
Is it another leaking sink?
No, it is a broken toilet.
Good luck with that.
Thank you. Goodbye, Kate.
Goodbye, Mark. Have a safe drive.
Have a great day.
Hello, Mark. I am calling to say thank you again.
Hello, Kate. Is the sink still dry?
Yes, it is perfectly dry. I am very happy.
That is great news. I am glad the repair is good.
I am talking to my friend on the phone now.
Are you telling her about the water problem?
Yes, and I am telling her about the great plumber.
Thank you, Kate. That is very nice of you.
She has a small leak in her bathroom, too.
I can help her tomorrow morning. Is she free?
I think so. I will give her your business card.
That is perfect. My phone is always open.
What are you doing now, Mark?
I am at the new house. The toilet is fixed.
You work very fast. You are a busy man.
Yes, many people have water problems today.
I am drinking my tea now. The kitchen is quiet.
Enjoy your tea and your dry floor.
I will. No more swimming in the kitchen.
No, the pool is closed now.
I am putting my towels in the laundry.
That is a good idea. Wet towels smell bad.
I am very lucky I found your number.
And I am lucky to have kind customers.
I will call you for the winter check.
Yes, please do. Winter is hard for pipes.
Have a good evening, Mark.
Thank you, Kate. Have a great evening too.
Goodbye for now.
Goodbye.